Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing how to make Kerala style soft layered wheat parotta at home. Kerala wheat parottas are popular and I'm showing you how to make them at home with minimum ingredients. This parotta or paratha is made with 100% whole wheat flour. No maida, eggs or milk are added to make this soft and layered parotta. So let's get started with the recipe. Into a bowl, I'm adding in 2 cups of whole wheat flour, also known as atta, which weighs 200 grams. And into that, I'm adding in 1 teaspoon pink Himalayan salt, 1 teaspoon Kandasari sugar. Khand is a desi variety of unrefined sugar. Adding sugar is important as it not only helps to balance the flavors, the sugar when caramelized will give a nice brown color on the parotta. Add in half cup water and give it a mix. And then add in another 1/4 cup water little by little and mix well. So altogether I have used 3/4 cup of water. Knead the dough really well for about 2 minutes and then add in 2 teaspoon desi ghee on top and press the ghee onto the dough and fold and knead. The idea is to incorporate the ghee into the dough. Press with your fist like I am showing and then fold into half and repeat this process a couple of times. And once the dough is smooth, divide the dough into 5 equal portions. Roll each dough once more and then add half teaspoon desi ghee on each dough and coat the dough with the desi ghee. Keep this for about 20 minutes. Now sometimes when I plan to make parotta for breakfast, what I do is I make it like this and keep it overnight. So what the desi ghee does is it will absorb into the dough, making it even more soft. After 10 minutes, make sure that the dough is well coated. So you can just coat the dough with desi ghee and then keep it aside for 10 minutes. And after 10 minutes, the dough is ready. You can see that the dough has absorbed the desi ghee and has become soft and non-sticky, and it's ready to make wheat parotta. Now to roll out the parotta, I'm using the back of a large steel plate. The larger the steel plate, the better. As you can see, the dough is well coated with the desi ghee and does not stick to my fingers. Grease your fingers with the residue desi ghee from the bowl and grease the plate. Make sure you grease the plate so that the rolled out dough does not get stick to the plate. Place the dough and press and spread it out with your fingers. Since desi ghee has absorbed well into the dough, it's easy to spread out. So spread it out as thinly as possible using your fingers. You don't need to use a rolling pin or a balun at this stage. I'm spreading it out even on the sides as well. Small tears and cuts on the dough is okay. You can see how thinly the dough has spread out. Now I'm gathering it just the way you do to make lacha paratha. Parotta made with maida can be extended by hand as maida has more gluten. Since atta or whole wheat has less gluten, we cannot extend it the way maida parotta is done. So this trick works well for me. Roll into a circle and secure the end under. Now keep the rolled out parotta aside. Let's do one more time. Grease the residue ghee from the bowl on the plate. So make sure you do this each time before you roll out the paratha, as it will help to prevent the parotta from sticking onto the plate. Now place the dough and flatten it as thinly as possible. Small tears or cuts are okay. And once it has been spread out as thinly as possible, gather it like I am showing. And once gathered, lightly stretch a bit, taking care not to break it. And then roll into a coil and tuck the end underneath. Repeat the same with the rest of the dough. Now to flatten the parotta, take the coiled parotta dough and press it lightly with your fingers on the same plate. and then lightly roll with the rolling pin. So I use the rolling pin towards the end. I do this to remove my fingerprint marks on the parotta. So when you're using the rolling pin or balen, make sure you press it very lightly. Don't give much pressure when you are rolling it out with the rolling pin. Once it has been rolled out, place it on the hot cast iron tawa and put the flame on medium low. Add in half teaspoon desi ghee or as needed and flip it over. While it is cooking, let's flatten and roll one more parotta. Flip the parotta over and add in some more desi ghee if needed. See the brown color on top? The sugar caramelized and gave this nice brown color, and you can see the layers already forming. Once done, remove to a plate. Repeat the same with the rest of the dough. Once all the parottas are done, you need to crush it with your hand. This will help the parotta to be more soft and the layers to come out. And once it is done, see the layers on the wheat parotta. Amazingly easy, isn't it? So guys, do try this Kerala special wheat parotta and do send me pictures on Facebook and on Instagram. Don't forget to like, comment and share this video with family and friends. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye-bye.